Hello again, this is Nilaban. I'm going to show you how to set up a remote desktop to a Server 2008 using a remote client computer. For this test we're going to use a Windows 7 client, and we're going to set up remote desktop on a 2008 server. A remote desktop is a program that allows a user to remotely connect to a computer or device in another location. This could be on a LAN, a WAN, or even from the internet. Remote desktop can be used to administer servers or any computer or device from a remote location. I'm going to show you how to set it up. So let's begin. First, we'll start with the server. This is Server 2008 I have here. So first we're going to go into right-click my computer, click Properties, click Remote Settings. This is a fairly simple procedure. It doesn't take long really. On this screen, as you can see, you have different options, but we're using a remote option here. You have don't allow connections. This is in case you don't want to allow remote desktop. Allow connections from computers running any version of remote desktop. This is the less secure option. Allow connection only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication. This is a little more secure, but for our demo or demonstration we're going to click on this option and let's click OK on this screen. Click Apply and click OK, and here you have your remote desktop set up on the server. So another thing we need to know the IP address of the server. So you can go and type in, launch a command prompt, type in ipconfig. As you can see, the IP address of the server is 192.168.0.1. Keep that in mind because we're going to use that to remotely connect to this server. Okay, so now I'll go to my client computer. Let's minimize the screen. Okay, this is the client computer. It's a Windows 7. Of course, remote desktop can work with Windows XP, Vista, and other Windows-based operating system that supports remote desktop. Okay, now from this client we're gonna administer the server. Just simply click on Start, Programs, Accessories. As you can see, remote desktop connection. Now as you can see, I tested it already, but we can, for our demo, we can redo the connection. This is how it would look. If you click on Options, you can actually put it in here as well and put in the username. We have all the options here. Display. This can control the size of the remote screen that you would see. Configure remote audio settings. And a couple of other options, font, desktop, background. Just so there's a different option to get your remote desktop a little more user friendly. So I'll go back to General and type in the IP address of the server. in our case we're going to use administrator access. On the server you can allow users to come in with remote desktop. You can give them rights to use remote desktop into the machine. But in our test we're going to use the administrator account. As you can see, this is the administrator account of the server. Just click connect. As you can see, you're going to get a box, the password. You can click remember credentials so it will prompt for the password, and you can just wait for it to make its connection. It may take a little while because it's checking access settings, protocols, firewall settings, etc. Okay, as you can see, this is a warning that you get from the server. The identity of the remote computer cannot be verified. Do you want to connect anyway? We're going to click yes. You can also click don't ask me this again. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is your, as you can see, we are on the desktop of the server 192.168.0.1. Okay, so this is our server. So now we can administer the server from a remote location. Okay, that was fairly easy. Okay, so this is how to set up remote desktop using a client computer. Thank you for watching.